This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hibernate your LinkedIn account. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into LinkedIn. To hibernate your LinkedIn account, first thing you need to do is go up to your Me icon, your little profile icon up top here. You want to click on that, and then you want to go down to where it says Settings and Privacy, and you want to click on that. Now in the left side pane, make sure you're on Account Preferences, and then you want to scroll down, and in the center pane here, right here, Hibernate Account. If you click on that, it'll ask you why you want to hibernate the account. You can select anything. I need a break. Then you can enter some feedback if you would like to in this text box here, and then you would click on Next. I'm not going to hibernate my account, so I'm not going to proceed past this. But to reactivate your account, if you choose to reactivate your account, if you scroll down here, how do I reactivate my account? Logging back into LinkedIn.com will take your account out of hibernation. So you just log back in when you decide you want to come out of hibernation. But that is how you hibernate your LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching.